My name's Matt Bowden-Ford. I've been the sports park manager here at the Wallingford Sports Park since January 2022. My background is predominantly in hospitality. So we've been using the GreenTeck solution here at the Wallingford Sports Park since before I started back in 2021. We chose to switch over to the GreenTeck solution because it was a local company and also the quality of the product from GreenTeck. With the fine mist spray, it goes further and financially it's better for the business here. It is brilliant for us. It comes in a 10-litre bagging box which we can then use individually in our spray bottles. The mist solution is great, it goes a long way. It doesn't have an overpowering smell. It doesn't override the products that we sell over the bar, which can be an issue with some other more odorous products. You don't need to be COSHH trained to use it. Any member of staff can pick up a bottle and immediately use the product. It just enables them to be able to clean quickly, efficiently, and make sure the area is safe and sanitised. So multifunctional as well, that we can easily clean off all the touch points within the changing areas, which then keeps people safe. The benefit for us is then, because it's food safe, it means that we are then able to trust it within the kitchen environment. So we've had the GreenTeck AquaFlo³ in place for 1 year now. Massive benefit to us, improved the hygiene of our gents' toilet facilities immeasurably. The AquaFlo³ also gives a really good neutral odour in the area, so we don't have any issues with pungent smell. Personally, I've been in the industry for 25 years now. So with my experience, I think the GreenTeck AquaFlo³ and the GreenTeck mist spray are a must for the hospitality industry. It's safety for your customers. It's also a great odour neutral product, which benefits all of us from less chemical smells.